let's play a game. If you're going to only buy 3 things in the cosmetic section of Chantecaille, what would I suggest? Like top 3, like kind of must-haves, right? That's a fun game, right? Should we play that game? Top 3 or top 5? Let's go with top. Okay, number 1, definitely the Future Skin Gel Foundation. This is amazing. Highly recommend it. All right, top 5. Definitely this. If you don't have this, you gotta kind of get it. Yep. I would suggest the Sheer Glow in the color that you like for your skin. I love the bronze one. I use it all the time. It's my absolute favorite. I put it on my neck and chest. I'll put it on my face. I love it. I gave away the rose one because I just never used it. So I don't think you need all of them. I think it's based on what you need. So I would definitely suggest one of these Sheer Glows for sure. One that you think you would use and like. But this combo is awesome. This is top. So there's 2. Sheer Glow. Okay, let me keep going. Like if you have to have something, I want to be thoughtful because I don't want people to like just buy for the sake of buying. All right, what else would I pick? I haven't used this enough to recommend it, but I really like it. But I'm not going to make it a top because I just got it. I would definitely recommend the lipsticks. I love them. I think they're so comfortable, especially if you're not like you don't have like a lot of makeup and you just like want like a good lipstick. I really like these a lot. I definitely recommend them. Oh, the eyeliners. Obviously, I'd pick the eyeliners over the lipstick. So I'd go, if there was an order, it would be the Future Skin Foundation, the Sheer Glow tints, the eyeliners, which I don't know where they are. They all disappeared on me. They're right here. I'd go with the eyeliners and then the lipstick. So that's 4, right? Yeah, because this definitely has to be a top 3. So this would be number 4. And then one more. Ooh, what would I pick? One more. Vanessa. Like a must-have. I wouldn't say a must-have, but if you're a makeup collector and you love makeup, I would pick one of these in a shade you think you'd use. For example, I really do use the